This is a quick tutorial about how to top and tail a talking head video. First, launch Primere Rush, then click on Create a New Project. Then you'll need to navigate to the folder with all the assets provided. In addition, you'll want to bring in your recorded content and place it in this folder as well. Now you'll select all your videos and make sure to uncheck Sync with Creative Cloud. This ensures that the files are stored locally. Now click Create. This will take a moment. And now you'll see all your files within the timeline. The next step is to click on the Show Tracks button and perhaps zoom out slightly by pulling this bar. So what you'll notice is you have multiple files. This one is the opening title. This is your lower thirds. And finally, you've got your closer. So the way to assemble this is fairly straightforward. First, what you'll need to do is select them all and bring it up to the third layer. Now, with this in place, you can bring your main content down a layer to layer 2. Select the opening and pull the opening to the very beginning. And now what you'll notice is there's a time here, the play hit. The video will kind of swipe up at about 7:07. So what you'll want to do is kind of position your content just about there. You can hold Alt and scroll wheel to zoom in as well to have more precise control. But you probably want to get to 7:07, link it there, and that way it will transition smoothly. Now the next step, to bring in this file, which looks a bit invisible initially, but you want to drag that all the way across. And now you'll see as it swipes up, you'll have your lower thirds. And finally, the end credits. So similar situation, you want to pull it just above where the transition kind of wipes away without revealing any black frames. So in this situation, that wasn't enough, so I'll pull it to the left a little bit more. And there we go. You can probably finesse this a slight bit to make it perfect, but that's pretty much it. Now, this is your top and tail all sorted from the beginning to the end. You can hit spacebar to kind of watch through it if you like. And then we'll move on to the exporting sequence now. Once that's all done, you go File, Share, and then you can choose where you want to save it to. And you can leave the settings as is, and you'll just press Export.
And once that's done, you'll find it in the folder that you saved it to.
And you can then use that to upload to Canvas or to wherever else that you may need to. And that's pretty much it.